This is Andrew Wicklund from Project Risk Consultants. We go over the tool menu in Primavera Pertmaster. This is a very small menu item. Not a lot going on in here. The system options, though, is going to be a very critical menu option relative to the user's preferences for scheduling and for things such as saving templates to the server and from an IT perspective. So I'll just click on these three options real quick to give you a feel for what each one of them does. The customize option first, it allows you to change some of the commands, the menu items, the toolbars. So like I said, this is a very confusing product. So if it helps a user to come in, set up a new toolbar, we do this as a 7-step process. You could set up a toolbar with the 7 steps on here. We do have a keyboard, hotkeys, things like that that you can set up also. So if you say, well, this is real confusing for me, I'd like things to go, you know, F1 through F7 for my 7 steps or something like that. You could do that as well. You can change menu options, menu screens, a lot of different stuff in there, tool tips. So a lot of users will never touch that screen, but that's where that stuff is located. The show custom data, almost no user will come in here. It actually goes and shows you more the coding behind certain things. So if I look at the quick risk, right now it shows risk level, high, medium, and low as being triangular distributions. These are all things that you see in the different interfaces. So instead of looking at it here in a more of a code type view, the user interfaces guide you into this. So most users wouldn't come and edit this manually, but you could do that if for some reason one of the interfaces was crashing or something was wrong with it, or you just flat out didn't like the interface. This would be for highly advanced users that understand the formatting structure though. The item that we'll go over in another module that is critical is the system options. So that's the third item down. You know, it's tools, third item, system options. It's got 2 tabs, system modes and system folders. We will go into this in detail in another module, but this gives you your scheduling options and things like that on your left-hand tab, and then your folders to save items. So for the user, the system modes is a very critical tab. For IT or people saving templates and things like that, the system folders may be a very critical tab as well.